Further afield, the Hainan Free Trade Port is an ambitious project that aims to transform into an international trade hub by 2050. This bold Chinese initiative offers valuable lessons that Jamaica and the Caribbean can consider adopting to boost their own economic growth and global competitiveness. Marlon Samuels reports.
The Hainan Free Trade Port is a bold initiative by the Chinese government to transform Hainan into a leading international trade hub by 2050. To make this vision a reality, the government has rolled out a number of innovative policies, such as tax breaks, to attract global businesses and talent.
Hainan FTP has a zero tariff policy. The products and industries covers under this policy are the most compared to other places in China. Also, the double 15 preferential tax policy is also the most preferential one in China. We also mentioned the duty-free processed good imported to mainland China. That policy is very unique in China.
These policies are designed to create a more open and business-friendly environment, encouraging foreign investments and facilitating international trade. Extensive preparations are also underway for customs operations. This includes upgrading custom facilities with cutting-edge technology, such as automated clearance systems, and highly trained staff, training to ensure cargo is handled swiftly and securely.
On November the 18th, just 1 month before the official launch, we have conducted a trial, which is a joint trial project among all the departments related to the special custom operation. It's just like we are practicing what's going to happen after that. And from the looks of that trial, everything is running very smoothly and stably. At the early stage of the preparation, we also focused on both hardware and software preparations, including infrastructure construction and also data-empowered IT systems.
These strategic measures aim to enhance trade efficiency while maintaining security and positioning Hainan as a key player in China's evolving economic landscape. By studying Hainan's approach, Jamaica and the Caribbean can explore ways to modernize their trade infrastructure, attract more international investments, and accelerate economic growth. Reporting from Hainan, I'm Marlon Samuels for the news on PBCJ.